Hell yeah. What's going on? I'm doing a YouTube live if it's working. This is just another standard day in the office looking for altcoin trades. So this is going to be pretty boring for anybody, but as you know, if you've watched any of the trades that I've done and posted on this channel, there's about 4 of them or 5 of them where I've clipped lives, where I've found the trade live and then, you know, entered later or alerts gone off or entered then and made something of it, made some gains and then posted it. Just double check this is working, is it? It's always a fuck around. There we go. Alright, so it's all so make these videos, find these trades, have it on film. So this is basically, if you're watching, then you must be pretty bored, but you want to see how to actually find altcoins to trade, which is, you know, a good skill to have, because you can trade, you can transfer technical analysis into any asset. And even if you're making long-term investments, how important is it to be able to see what the fuck's going on a chart? Because if you look for a chart, say you got like a tip-off for Disney or Tesla or PayPal, someone says good time to invest, and you buy it, it just goes down for 4 years. You could have seen that. You could have seen that on the chart. So when a chart's going like just basically straight down, like Disney or something like that, every single tick, every single movement is somebody buying and somebody selling. There has to be, you know, for a transaction, a buy and a sell. So people buy the whole way down a downtrend. If you can identify that on an investment, it's even the same if you're buying a house. You know, you want to buy something in like a growth area, something that's doing good. I'm gonna shut my door. Something that's going up, you know what I mean? Something that's going up, even a house. You want to find an area that's going up. Is the market going up? Everything. So I'm just going to share this onto the Telegram chat. So if you want to get free Telegram chat channel alpha, you go in the bio below and then come have a yarn. Come have a chat to us in the free Telegram chat channel. And you don't have to join the Blockchain Bulls, but if you want to join the Blockchain Bulls and learn how to make big, hefty gains in this market, then come see Impromptu live finding altcoin trades on now. Motherfuckers, let's go. All right, so let's get it. Just like this guy with the hottie to his left. Only one hottie there. For the volume's good and shit, don't care. So what you need for this, if you're following along, is you need a trading view account. So you can get it for free. You can use link in the bio as well to get, if you're going to sign up and stuff. I think maybe we might get a little bonus, you or I, a bit of a referral, a couple of bucks or something. If you click on that, no stress if you don't, but you need TradingView. The best thing about paying for TradingView is you get the alerts. Alerts are just, you're not going to be on a computer 24/7, most likely, I'm betting. And if you're not going to be on the computer 24/7, you just got an alert. It's like, hey, yo, now's the entry. Ding. Sends, and if you got the app on your phone, it sends it to your phone as well. It's unbelievably valuable alerts. And if you get this AC cranking too, if you get the good one, then you can set unlimited alerts and it's just rated. So you need this, you need an exchange. All these coins that I'm going to be looking at, all these altcoins that I'm going to be looking at are on ByBit. So you need an exchange, preferably ByBit. There's also a link for that down below. Just do as you wish. And then you need TradingView, you need an exchange, you need some cash, and then on that exchange, and then you need Coinalyze, which is free. I log in, it logs me out. There's no real membership here. It's free. If you sign up, you get no ads, but you know, not fussed about that. So that's all. It's an easy strategy. Easy strategies to be employed. When you got TradingView going, you go to the daily chart. We'll just sort of stick to the daily chart for a brief overview. First, we can zoom in later, and then you want a moving average indicator. CT max, a good one. If you click on the settings, you can see you can change it all. So it's got 200. That's some of the moving averages I do use. 200 SMA. 200 SMA. So where is it? Mustn't be on this chart yet. It must be potentially be too new. Too new. Just see if it pops up, if it's working. Yeah, the white line. The white line. Oh my God. So a couple of days ago, so I'm hurrying to do this actually because I've been busy making the modules, my man. Modules. Is because look at this. There's this big liquidity grab. So what we're looking for, the crutch of this strategy is making money from people that are losing money, unfortunately, whether it's people or bots or anyone else, Chinese, Japanese, Korean. A lot of Koreans trading crypto at the moment. Anybody wants to lose money, then they can sign up to that and we'll take it from them because that's just how it is. Got to be a loser to be a winner, unfortunately. But, you know, sport. It's a sport. We're playing sport here. I'll cruise in. And this is the thing that happened to most altcoins about 4 days ago, was this massive liquidity grab, comes in, hits all stop losses of everybody that was long in here and takes their money. And this is just a wonderful entry for a long too. You know, if you had buy orders set all the way down there. So we want to set some alerts, potentially some buy orders, and just really get a gauge for the market. Also using the 200-day simple moving average for an idea of whether it's a bull market, bear market, whether we're taking longs and shorts, and just where it is in terms of an uptrend, in contrast to the 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average being the most used, the most renowned moving average in existence. So it's good because a lot of people trade around it. So it actually is a moving average that does have price action, be affected by it, basically. So I'm on crew. I've recently added this. I might actually put it in the comments. Share this in the comments. Share list, copy link. I'll put this in the comments, so you can get it if you want. It's my watch list of all the ByBit trading pairs, the USDT and the perpetuals. So have no fear. This is what I was doing yesterday, adding all 150 new ones to it, basically, because 100. I think, how many's on there now? Let's have a little squizzy. 260, yes. It was on, I think I had like 150 on there, so 110. Manually, if there's a way to get it from I know you can get it from Binance, I'm pretty sure. But anyways, whatever, done now. So I want to have a look. I want to look at some coins that are trending. Also, wouldn't mind looking at, what do we got? The coin bubbles. There's that, coin bubbles. Just have a little look where they this is where you get the Rune. Holy shit, today a big day for Rune. FTD, screw that. But hey, gains are gains. Rune, AVEX is coming in saying hello. So what's going on for the week? FTT, big week. Rune, again, LDO, floating around. Should look for some trendsetters here. Theta, maybe the gains have already been had. Link, there's no time. Maker could be a potential opportunity because this thing doesn't, it doesn't slow down for too long. It doesn't slow down for too long. So it looks very high there, but it actually might be about a 10-20% pullback on that. Looking for the strongest coins that have already run super high in the last month or in the last year. Injective has done a 10x. Basically, CAS. I think that's that Casper coin. I wouldn't touch that with your dick. But hey, look, I'm an idiot because I didn't make 2,000% on it. Lido done a nice 100% over the year. So obviously it's gone down a lot, come back up a lot over the month. We can have a little look. Just look, I'm looking for some mid-range Doge, AAVE. I'm looking Pepe. So looking for things that are strong, but not ones that have done all the running really. So over the last month, RPL, I like that. KuCoin will come in hard at the end of the bull market most likely. Matic, yeah. So all right, we'll get into the charts. Just get a little gauge of but it's in a beautiful sea in the green. In a beautiful sea in the green. Top 200. Luvium moving. One audio. Audio's it's an old narrative, but it's a good narrative. It's a good narrative because Kanye West will tell you it's pretty needed. This fresh. This what are we feeling? Beach house mix. It was a nice sunny day today. This guy needs a haircut. All right. So firstly, what are we looking at? So what we're going to look at is we're going to look for some trades that are doing abnormal behavior. We're going to look at some ranges. We might draw a couple of G boxes, see what's going on within those areas. You can see here that down in the greens, obviously good buying areas has been. And then the reds and the yellows are for shorting. Just drag that across pretty easily. You can do two ways of the G box. You can do it so the green follows the base and any reds are your stop loss like that. Actually pretty better way of doing it, or you can be generous and then so there's two ways to trade the G box. Is that stop losses are around the red, and red you don't expect to be hit, or use red as a great entry. So these days I sort of use red as a great entry instead of a stop loss, and I have my stop loss pretty far away these days, to be honest, because the further away your stop loss is, the more right you're going to be. So you might be right and take a lot longer to make money, but hey, if you're right's right. So it's better than losing money. So these 1,000 coins, I'm just gonna skip them for now. That's gonna be boring. It's gonna be a boring one for you. Look at that retest of the 200. Boom, big. Where are you, right? So you can see here where the price really breaks down. It affects it hard. This man. These pullbacks, this market is just crazy and basically straight up. I don't want to short anything that's longer than like a day, or maybe if you have a red week. We can get a good, actually, I forgot to do this because I've already done this today, but we'll do it in the video just in case anybody's watching. We'll have a little look at Bitcoin because you want to see what the fuck Bitcoin's doing. Have a little bit of a bias. up and to the right. Bitcoin's gone up and to the right so far, above everything else. We've got a little nice temporary short on Bitcoin last night, which was good. Scored one of these, I think it was that one maybe, or whenever last night was, pretty late last night, before at 12 hours ago. Don't know when it happened. It was part of this. Anyways, it's sort of bullish wicks. You can see it really, Bitcoin really slowing down on momentum here. So volatility collapsing. If we go maybe the 2 hour, you might see some blue bar on 2 hours. It's going to be a pretty big move. Probably coming into the start of the week, you're going to get a pretty big move. I mean, all big moves have basically been either up or Darth Vader. I mean, Darth Maul, double-ended dildo, skull fuck to both sides, which is very painful. Unless you're taking quick profit. Very hard to trade, absolutely hard. It's like a news event almost, but there wasn't. It was just a liquidity grab. It's just fucking everybody over, taking everybody's money, and then just continuing on reversion to the mean. So this is going to be a big move, pretty big move. The move's bleeding. We'll see if it's going into the 4 hour that we were just on. It's heading down. It wants to slow. The momentum's so high. It's been so high. The thing about momentum, though, is it can stay high. It can stay low. It's easier for it to stay low than it is to stay high. But it's easily done. So, I mean, how do you trade this? You just got to be sharp. It's hard. This is hard trading too. I actually don't recommend trading Bitcoin right now. It's hard trading. This is hard trading. Go. Where's the tops? Oh man, you just don't even want to get touched by these wicks. It's so hard. There's the. So That's what we're looking at the moment. Move down to 15. Just like that. I'm glad. Actually, I can't even remember what I did. I'll have to check. But I did a fair few trades yesterday. But the best one, I believe, was a long, and I sold it 220 or 170. So I think it was here. Yeah, and it went. No, it's 15-minute chart. This one I sold it. I sold here. I longed it down here. Or down here. Oh, fuck you. Don't worry about it. It doesn't mean anything anyways. I had a good trade. One of them was good. One of them was very small profit. No stops actually. Just a couple of break evens and a small profit and then a decent profit. So good. It was a pretty good trade. Good day of trading yesterday. For what I did. So overall, Bitcoin short term, you can try and trade this muck, but the trend is up. It's just you gotta watch this. You gotta be careful because we've got a real strong trend line over the past week, and it's broken below it. So suspicious activity going on. You could have shorts here, but fuck, it's dangerous. It's dangerous trying to short Bitcoin on this run. I'm not. And the momentum's so high, it wants to come down for a break. It's been so high for so long. On the 12-hour, like a full month, man. A full month of just up. Needs a breather, but probably won't. What's the dollar doing? Dollar's playing ball. It's going down. Trying to put in another high there. What's the stock market doing? Dicking up. So when you see shit like this, it's hard to bet against. It's hard to bet against Bitcoin. And then in turn, probably just looking for more longs, man. Probably just looking for more longs, or like I said earlier, very, very temporary shorts. So if we're looking for shorts, you want to catch it basically in the move of like something ridiculous like this, like when it's up there right now, or like up there and then short term. Bum, bum, bum. Keep an eye on the clock and we'll see how far we get. So 1 inch no trade. No trade. You just gotta, like, we're gonna see a lot of coins like this. I want to see, we've got 260 coins to get through. I want to see something that's doing something instead of I'll be setting alerts all day. I'll set a few alerts, but we're gonna start coming through this a little bit more often again. So I'm on the 12-hour chart here. I just started the daily. AAVE looks nice. It's trying to put in a bit of top on that. I need to see how many cases of bearish divergence is there. 1, 2, 3. It's a lot of bearish divergence. The market wants to come down, but at the same time, it always wants to come down with these altcoins when they're doing ridiculous shit like this. So you get a momentum play maybe on AAVE for a long. We could set something, maybe like a trend line touch. That's where I've got this trend line come back up, because most likely we'll find the trend line that it has been playing around. It's almost found it now, really. AAVE. Is there any? It's not too bad. Alright. Oh, I'll get the paper out. Excuse me for a second. Alright. This is always going to be a bit of a short list. There's nothing on right now. AAVE. You could find 10 to 20% on this one. Come back. Reversion. It's at range lows. Where's the momentum sliding? Oh. So what I want to do with this one, $12 hours too generous. What I need to do is I need to set so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to balance. I'm trying to find the right alert. It needs a bit more time to cook to see what it's going to do when it starts, especially when it starts touching this line. So most likely need to refresh that line there, and I'll see if the stochastic ends up coming down into extremes. Like my extreme on the stochastic momentum 25. So AAVE, you know, could be a long. It's just, but it's just following the trend, obviously. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's had 4 highs, 4 reversals. So I don't want to. I want to see a change in market structure. Basically, I want to see something like this. Breaks it down, comes back up, does something fucked, takes people's money with a wick, and then closes back down here. That's what you want to see, basically, for a short. It's hard. These shorts are got to win you over. If we're taking any shorts, it's got to win us the fuck over, honestly, because the market's so strong. Look at the momentum at 90. Stochastic momentum at 90, man, and it's curling over. It's so insane. This market's so cooked. Like it's oh, momentum wise, this market's like well cooked. A month of up. What we're probably going to see, whether it's now or soon, is just like this lower highs and everything just. But maybe one more high, you know what I mean, or like 2 more high. Boom, boom. That's the whole. That's the hard part. That's the hard part, my boy. Nothing interesting here. Cardano. Oh, they're having their moment in the sun. Congrats, Cardanos. Yeah, well, look, we knew it, flat and then either up or down. There's only 2 ways. That's back above the 200. You're going to get a lot of these retesting the 200-day moving average eventually. No pullback on that. Nothing interesting there. No like liquidity grabs. Nothing high. This is sort of ranging. It's range bound. If it's doing this sort of shit, I want to see and then reclose back in the range. You know what I mean? I want to see these people that have their stop losses for shorts, because this is so what this is doing across, right? Is it's distributing and accumulating. They're always happening at the same time. There's only one's going to win. There's always a battle between the distribution and the accumulation, and only one's going to win. But what I want to see here, right, for the distribution to win, is some pain. Some pain first. You want to see all these fuckheads that are shorting it here already lose money with a wick to the top and then straight back down. Wick to the top, back in the range, then maybe we can distribute. But for real distribution, like just a range like that, it's just bullish, man. It's just grinding higher. So nothing like that. And there's no good long entry, so move on again. AGLD, like that. That's not too bad. I mean, it's had it. You see, it's had it, and then it's had that as well. It's had distribution, range highs, moving along. Momentum's low though, you're not catching it at the best time. Get a little bit of G-box. I might go to the 4 hour. We can see a little bit better on the 4 hour. Get this out of the way a bit. Please just swing the G-box around, something like that. It's yeah, so it's you want nice entries. You want nice entries if you're shorting this, which we could short this. We'll have a little look, but I want to be shorting it at a decent area if we're going to just do a range high short. So live short, range high. That's about it. You know, it's not perfect, but it's had a liquidity grab. We could go over just to show you what we're looking for. If you're interested in Coinalyze AGLD, you go AGLD, free platform, Coinalyze AGLD. Adventure gold. Fucking what are they doing? They're mining it from the base, and open interest is low. It's had a smash out. People getting sick of this thing going sideways where there's other money to be made. It's a perfect time for it to go up, actually. So funding rate is, yeah, well, it's too green really, isn't it? Might get a little push up, but it's pretty gross. How many liquidations were taken previously? Get a little bit of a gauge. Oof, and you know, that was a pretty big spike in contrast to how it usually performs. It's about a $350,000 money grab, and most people actually lost money. This is liquidating the long, so everybody that bet that the price was going to go up along here sort of just got wiped out because they had their stop losses behind here. They're taking unnecessarily long leverage. Shouldn't have done that, bro. Shouldn't have done that. And then, but mostly, surprisingly, this didn't. All these shorts were losing money like gradually every day actually. So, but then there was a big one, big painful one. Like people long in the top here. Don't long the top, bro. Don't long the top, bro. You can long it if it's grinding, but if there's a big blow off top candle, don't long the top, bro. This one is a good one. Minus 700 grand on some random adventure gold. So again, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for people to lose money. People recently have just lost money on this side. We want to see people losing money on the other side of the bet. So, and also open interest is low, which is pretty bullish, really. Funding rates is green. Funding rates overly green. You know, so it's not an easy trade. Moving on. Grab bang. Daily. What the hell is this piece of shit? Man. Again, so it sort of looks like these sort of trades that were missed before, where you can see that it's just like grinding higher. But then you get these big, unreasonable green candles with the wick above and then a distribution range. And then you've got an engulfing candle here, which is red and it's bringing friends. So obviously that's something that you want to see. That was in August, long time ago. And it's quite actually, this is actually quite strange price action. It's doing sweet fuck all right now. And it could be basing. Bit of bullish divergence here. 1, 2, 3 counts. Could be basing. Could be basing. Not too bad. AKRO. Why is this? See, these are the questions, mate. Why are these? Why is this performing differently to every other coin? Tell me that. No. So you can zoom in. Bang. 4 hours. AKRO. That's not a bad short there. Not a bad long down here. Look for longs. Bet the range can continue. I'm gonna bet that the range is going to continue. I want to know whether it's coming back down. I want a good entry, so it could have another one of these. Give me a good entry. Let us know. Range low, long, live. Range low, long, live. Range low, long. Bang. That's cool. That's pretty interesting. AKRO prop. Pretty interesting. Pretty random. Trend line, slop it up, slop it on. There we go, front run the trend line. So crazy, such a big pump too. What the fuck was that? 400, 300 something percent. Good long, anybody in July? Grab that. Could happen again. Lower high. Quick little look. AKRO. See, I'm telling you, if you're watching this shit, it's the work that nobody else wants to do. If you want to make some cash, you want the easy work, don't you? You want the easy money. Huh? Fucking not gonna get it. Ain't nothing easy. Oh man, open interest 20x lower than it was. Does this thing even see any red ever? Oh. Holy fuck. That's not what I was expecting to. Oh my god. Liquidated. That is why it went so high. All this red, this is all shorters. All these people took shorts, grind up, fuck them off. More people took shorts, grind them, grind up, stop them out. Short. Oh my god. Man, see, if this was where if the funding rate had begun turning red, like it did early days here, right now. And I wish I could honestly, please let me set alerts on the funding rate. I've emailed these guys so many times, man. Let me take this chart to TradingView. I will pay you. All right, moving on. Mid pump, algo, pretty cool. You know, normally I'm not going to short it, I'm not going to long it. It's mid pump. The entry was this. Sweet, that's nice. Good for them. 200-day moving average resistance for Alice. Some previous, anyone wants to know what I'm drinking? Black coffee, no milk, no sugar, lion's mane, chaga, cordyceps, cacao, and another secret ingredient. It's collagen. Ooh, dries you out, but again, same sort of shit. Heavy resistance. Don't really want to short this. Hasn't really had a mad liquidation week like that, and I don't want to long it either because it's got some serious resistance on the 200-day. It's got momentum turning. It's just like, this is just the point where, yeah, it could be this, could go higher, or it could turn over here. It's just a bit of a, it's like it's like a low success rate area for these altcoins. But that's what I wanted to see. I knew most of these were like this, but I needed to see if there's any opportunities getting around, because what is this crap? There's fuck all price data. Probably a scam. Anchor. Shit's just going up every day. Don't time the top for these coins that are doing this shit. I'm telling you right now, do not time the top and try and short them when they look like this, man. They can just, you're probably just going to get a big green candle soon. You're probably going to get a big green candle soon, a big bid when Bitcoin hits like 40K or something like that. You're going to get a big bid on all these altcoins, and then market's going to cool off back to 35K or something. That is pretty high probability bet right now. Man, we had plenty of opportunities and did not capitalize on these with these alerts. Obviously, as you can see, they've been set and didn't get acted on. So I just reset that, unfortunately. But I had other trades going, but should have done that. It's a good 20% or something. I think we missed out on that one. Boom. 20 something percent. Good trade. Missed that. Didn't act on the alert. Thought there was better, but 20% is nice. APE. Scam. I don't really want to touch this one either. To be fair, still in the same sort of shit, boring shit that we looked at before. API 3 broke out of the range, broke above, retest, breaks down, 200-day moving average starting to flatten out. That's basically what you want to see too, is it's just starts to flatten out. Really, actually not. I sort of jumped the gun there. It's just going down. This yellow, orange, colorblind, white line is just going down still. It's trying to flatten out is what I'm saying. That's where a bottom's put in when the 200-day or just most good moving averages in general start flattening out. This is a nice liquidity wick to the top. Taken out a bit, but again, above the 200-day moving average is not really showing weakness. Top timing, it's got a little bit of evidence with the liquidity grab for a bit of shorting, but again, you know, I'm looking for good entries on the long in case it pumps this week. So some altcoins with some good long opportunities in case crypto, which most likely will pump this week. So I'm looking for that. And then anything that just looks like stupid needs to cool off first. Anything that's just been acting a fool, like maybe Arbitrum, just acting a bit of a fool. I started putting in a little bit of a that's a nice double bottom too, isn't it? It's beautiful, really, isn't it? It's like a little ass, little tush. Smack it. If you entered here, that's smacking the tush. Did you smack the tush on Arbitrum? Did you smack the tush on Arbitrum? We've got I've got a range here again. Where's the entry? Where's the exits? I'm struggling to see anything that's of serious value around here yet. We're only in the A's, and it's been how long's it been? Fucking half hour, 45 minutes too. Probably won't even get out of the A's. I'll have to do this again tomorrow. Probably will do this again tomorrow. Love this. Maybe Tuesday. Yeah, I just need a good entry for us. I mean, it's done the wicks. So they've done the wicks to the lows. Most of these coins have done the wick to the lows. They've fucked everyone off and they're ready to go higher. That's literally what's going on. Most of these coins are ready to go higher. I just want something that's like, yo, like, whoa, up too high, and then just like, whoa, 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 and then boom, you know, right there. Show me that. That's where we want to enter. Look at this mess. That's a ugly but strong coin. We put a horizontal line alert on the green. Just price action here. Use price action to find the trade, and then other things to back it up. Live, long, range low. Have a little look. You're sending a message to the future you. Oh my god, fuck these things, man. It's like the chances of this finding this trend line are pretty high. So live trend line entry. Oh. Yep. Had the alert, didn't enter. That's what happens when you're away. Just letting some other trades run. I didn't have room for any new trades. I do now though. Closed a few, took some profit. Life's good. Missed the entry again. Fuck, that's strong. No signs of this yet. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. Ooh. There's no price data on this too. It's obviously pretty new, so it's like I don't know what to really compare it to. Don't have a moving average. I could short it, but it's way too risky. High risk. Adam's been charging. So I want to catch a short. If it's a short, I want to catch it. Oh, what the fuck is this? That's not too bad. That is not too bad. So we'll go over to this one, Coinalyze. You bring it over, you go auction, you scroll down. Bounce token. Well, it's a bit bounced. Bounce token, auction. Zoom in. So I'm talking shorts here. You know, the not bad for a short. We might get another liquidity grab to the upside just to fake everybody out that was already shorting it. Live short. What are you trading, bro? What's up, bro? I'm trading all the altcoins on ByBit. So I'm taking money from everybody else that's trading ByBit. Just flicking through the altcoins on ByBit. Looking for some easy trades, my man. Looking for people that have been liquidated recently, most likely to the short side. And then, or to the long side, take either side. So look for maybe some easy altcoin longs. And then maybe some potentially short-term shorts. Something like this. So potential short-term short. So live, range high, short, just set an alert. And then come back to it. So I'm just doing the hard yards. Looking for some easy altcoin trades to make some easy gains on. That's what we want to do. Doing the hard yards, hard yakka. AVAX mid pump. So nobody's buying this in in fear of catching the top, and then nobody's shorting this because all you see is big green power candles. So it's obviously, you know, a no-go, but, you know, there's a lot of altcoin leaders in the space, AVAX being one of them, AVAX being one of the larger cap coins as well. And you can see here that most of the coins that we've been looking at have basically just done this sort of top distribution, turns out to be reaccumulation, and then starts hitting those green candles before the grand finale of this part of the cycle. So yeah, we're looking for ones at this stage, which we've seen a shitload of them at this stage, but they've been random coins like this, coming into resistance highs, as you can see, previous range. So you've got like support. So you see I just drew that, fleck this horizontal line, and then you scroll along, you can see that it's a very serious line, like important line at around $6.50 of support. Gets broken, flip to resistance, comes back up, flicks to resistance. So you don't long resistance, bro. Don't long resistance. All right, don't long resistance. So we're not going to do that. But again, like I just said, a lot of these coins grinding higher, getting ready to start putting some serious green candles in, most likely. Hearts an alert saying Bitcoin's volatility is collapsing. I'll just quickly show you and we'll flick back over. Bitcoin volatility on the 5-minute chart. So it's collapsing. You can see here, your blue bars, BBWP, it's a volatility indicator. Bollinger Band width percentile, it's a really good indicator. It's saying that it's pausing at the top. It's getting ready to make another leg up or down. It's not, volatility is not a directional indicator. It's an indicator that's telling you that something's about to happen. So you've got direction and then you've got time, and BBWP will just tell you what's going on at that moment, or gives you an identification of where you're at time-wise. Badge, you know, we're not touching that. See, obviously, this, I knew this was going to be hard to find some trades at the moment because everything's sort of in the middle. But yeah, again, prioritizing longs. Bakes had this big pullback, wick to the low, the Darth Maul lightsaber. Top, bottom, find, cross. Understand if you don't want to watch this, anybody flicking on, don't want to watch this because, you know, you don't want to make money. So you don't want to do the hard work, mate. You just want somebody to say, yo, buy or sell here, and then you can blame it on someone else. That's how people roll. I don't blame you for that, you know, but just understand that you don't make cash doing no work. You can get lucky, but how much does luck stick around? Trend line, touch, long. How long does luck stick around for you? Yeah, you might get lucky. You might find a good tip off, and then he's wrong, and then you start blaming him. Balancer, oh my god, see, holy fuck. See this sort of shit, right? That's just taken 20%. Anybody that was 5x leverage or higher on Balancer around here lost their money. They were liquidated. They were liquidated completely. So it's just, these is just like, you've got something that's strong, right? Something that's strong. And then what this is a pit stop. You're driving the car and then you're running low on fuel. You need a pit stop. That's what that is. That's a uptrend pit stop. And you can see here it's making new highs. So Balancer, we're going to flick over. We're going to set an alert. We're going to check the range. We're going to swing the G box on, and we're going to set alert for a potentially good entry or range lows. So boom, go to the top, drag it across, find the bottoms. Go. See how this rolls. Balancer, longs below that. Live, long, range low. Thank you. Past self, future self. Some serious distribution. It's a big, big range. That's a big range. It's a big ugly. That's the spot for it. Ooh, I want to see this banned. If there was anybody watching this, it would probably slow me down. So thanks for that. Just get in there and I'll do my work, do the Lord's work. Funding rate. Oh. Yeah. Funding rate making month highs basically. Look at all this. Look at all this shorting. Bang. Fuck you. Boom. Honestly, I need to be able to filter this for funding rate. It's so painful manually doing it. For half a mil lost right there. And it's ready to go back up. The old sending rising wedge, rising pizza. It's ugly as shit though, don't worry about that. Oh, it's a liquidity grab. Oh my god. Oh. That's a pretty good entry for a short, eh? Just one of those short-term shorts that I was talking about right there. Zoom in. So I'm zooming in for momentum here. You can see how the momentum's low. Bring this up. Bat, short, live, momentum. Man, I want longs, man. I'm short. Got to do due diligence here. If you're not sure whether we make gains or not, bro, check the rest of the videos that I've posted on this channel. You know, other people are beating us to the shorts. You really want funding rate to be just like excelling here, where people are just going crazy trying to top long. See, more people are trying to short this. See this? See the red? People are coming in, trying to top time, doing what I'm doing. Like, people are seeing this one. People are seeing this one coming. Which means I need to be more patient. So I'm going to increase the time frame from 10 minutes, from 5 minutes to 10 minutes for the notification on the stochastic momentum. Beautiful. Yeah, like I said, got to be picky. Got to be picky for a short. Bitcoin cash. It's cash. It's cash. Where's my alert? There we go. Yeah. Say less, bruv. Oh, what's this one? Bell curve. Just a dirty range. Nobody's even going to expect it to do anything and go up. Looks gross. Break, retest. But this is fucking gross. Descending triangle. No strong trend. Like, basically all year. Where's the strength in that? Nobody even knows about this coin. It's just grinding to the sideways. The developers are selling. Nobody's buying, really. Barely. Get out of that one. This one, so this is a big range high. So what you're doing here with BICO, basically, if you're interested in shorting it, is you're betting. Let's just do another one of these. Doing another one of these, bro. Large time frame. Another one of these. BICO. flick over here, have a look at BCO. BCO, see how much cash has been taken from traders right now. Open interest pretty low. Just tracking price. Funding rate pretty high. Staying pretty high. 0.02 is high. Funding rate stays high. Funding rate stays high. Oh my god. That's nice. Sometimes you see a bit of an anomaly here where traders that were short. Obviously, all these shorters outweighed the longest here. These shorters outweighed these shorters because these shorters were spot on the money with this short. That was really good trading there by that influx. But you can see here, people are so long. I want to see some liquidations. And I don't really see it. Liquidations were had to the other side. the longs were liquidated. There's not really much shorting going on right now. And there's not really many shorters that are there to take money. So is there sellers? Is there shorters? Can we push this price down? Maybe not. We're setting an alert anyway. We'll get notified. We will set an alert. We'll get notified. Again, look, I'm not here for shorts. I'm here for longs, but you're just seeing some things that are a little bit toppy. So what we want to do is we want to be lenient with the momentum. We want to be impressed by the momentum if we're taking a short. I'm going out to the 1 hour chart here. So live, short, 1 hour, range, high, short, there you go, bang. So note to future self, that's all that is. Big time, big time. What's the big time? Big time, dirty. You've got no chart data. You got no moving average because it's only brand new. It's just done nothing but go down and then just wick everybody out. Skip that. We'll wait. Maybe might make friends with that one in the future. Blur. Again, another thing that is just pumping high. Probably wants to come higher. See these supports and resistances. Here you got some support, flips, resistances. Resistances and supports are made to be broken temporarily. That's saying, patented. Resistance and supports are where everybody puts the stop losses. So they're made to be broken temporarily. That's why you'll see a lot of strategies like swing failure patterns, all that sort of stuff. That's why breakout trading fails most of the time. Because with breakout trading, you need like breakout and then you need like retest and then you need confirmation. You need like something like right there, maybe like an entry right there. Breakout trading fails majority of the time, but hey, look, there's a big resistance above blur, which well and truly could easily hit. BLZ trend line up. You skip this, so you get these like these anomalies, these price action anomalies on these altcoins where they just sometimes they give a fuck, sometimes they don't. So it's still holding trend line here. BLZ. Still holding the trend line. You can do a long for just a trend line continuation. You got trend low there, trend line low there. So I'm gonna write this one down just for like BLZ, but it's a bit of a, you know. We'll see what's being shorted. That might give us, if we see anything on here, BLZ, that we might see something on here that's that helps us want to long that trend line. Open interest is very low. Open interest is getting a lot lower, 50 mil lower than the highs. That's good to see for a long. Funding rate. Everyone else is longing it, man. Everyone else is longing it heavily. So 0.04 is massive. Bet you there's been fuck all, little to no liquidations on the bottom side, 20 grand. So what I want to see for this is another one of these, and then it's probably up. So you probably might have a pretty good trade here if you can get a good entry. So it looks like it wants to bottom here, but put my neck out and say that's a trap. I want to see. It's like, that's another thing, mate. It looks good. It looks pretty good. it looks pretty good. So, but we want it to look great. So what I'm going to do is I want to see a wick. This is where we go. When you're uncertain, you got to find a little bit of what's it, coinciding word, C word used all the time. You know, two things, a couple things, compromising. There we go. I want to see this right there, that wick. Live, long, lick, range low, entry, enter. So there you go, boom. Be a long entry. If we get another one of that, I said on the wrong time frame. So this pretty much ends up just being right there. I want to see that retaken. So I'm 5 o'clock. I'll be out of here soon. How close are we to C? Get all the B done. B and B. Ugh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Any top timers out there that want to tackle this? That's insane. Probably will top here with the red bars. Volatility just getting pushed. I mean, the momentum getting pushed to absolute extremes. Getting monstered. But, you know, what's the play there, eh? I'm not trying to top time it. So, alright, everybody that tried to top time it here. It hasn't even closed red yet. What's it look like lower? Same. Looks pretty good still, so. BNX, this piece of shit. Yep. BOBA. That's a nice little liquidity grab. See this? All this resistance has officially been broken. Probably see it try and break again. Might go there. Live res. Bond. Yuck. It's like splat. Bitcoin SV. Not bullish on this. Oh, that's alright. BSW. What the fuck is BSW? See this 200-day simple moving average for a massive painful resistance for it. Trend line low, along the trend line. BSW. Doesn't matter what it is. I want to see, you know, honestly, it's a pretty good entry actually. BSW, it's a pretty good entry, just trend line entry, expecting it to continue. Zoom in, 1 hour, where's momentum? Grinding up. Had its pain, made its pain. Likes the bottom. Got a bit of a ascending triangle right here going on. Ascending triangle in a bull market. Very bullish pattern. One of the most bullish patterns is ascending triangle in an uptrend. It's just smacking at the roof, ready to break in. It's not the worst entry at all. You might zoom in here. See, you got swing high on the momentum. So we go 15-minute chart. I like that for an entry. Bring it back down to 30. Add alert. Want to get notified before it goes into the extremes. Live, long, BSW. It's like sort of like a be like a low leverage, just continuation play on something that's probably a pretty fucking small market cap. I mean, we're not buying mad strong momentum that I was hoping for, like a big pullback and some good momentum. It's like pretty dog shit ugly chart. You know, it's only just started going up. It's, you know, could be the start of something like that. In contrast, it's actually been, there's a lot of you know, it's just go straight down, but you might be right here. So it might catch a little bit of a move on that. I'll just check one more time. This is the last coin I'm doing. So BSW, BSwap. Is it BSwap or BySwap? BSW, BSwap, BySwap. BSW, BySwap. BySwap. Market cap 28 mil. So room to move. BNB chain, not really what you want to see if we're looking at fundamentals right now. But BySwap. Bisexual swap. Binance. Oh my god. 70% APR. Scam alert. If you don't know where the yield's coming from, you are the yield. That is financial advice. But hey, look, website's clean, nice. Having a bit of bull market fun here. What's it traded on? Binance, KuCoin. Oh. What are we looking for anyways? We're looking for whether it was BSwap. Which one was it? BSW. Soz. I need a piss. So open interest starting to rise. People are starting to get interested in this. Oh my god, that's so fucking... people, nobody can find a shorter. Nobody can find a shorter. You get just chewed up. I was hoping not to see this. But the predicted's coming down, so we might have a little bit of time. Couple of liquidations, no liquidations. Oh, it makes me want to just bring the stands down a little bit. We'll see what a 15-minute chart can do. We might get a day or two. We'll reassess. This is going to be a on-the-go trade. I'll be talking to it, reassessing it. Bring the little G box. We can spread this one out. Go because it wants to talk. See what happens first. All right, we'll leave it there. Just done 2 letters. You know what I mean? It's tough work, takes time, but we'll go back on probably maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. We'll look for some easy trades. Obviously, they're hiding in there. So, what's injective? Oof. IMX. Oof, mooning. Check a couple of fucking good ones on the go. LDO. Oh, nice. Oh, it's a 15-minute chart though. Yeah, catch a pullback at this one would be really nice. You'd be a bit generous with the trend line. And maybe the previous resistance. Cool. Had a couple of lows. We just did a little sneaky LDO for you. A couple extra ones, but we'll get through them anyways. That's me done. Knock off. There's a knockoff, mate. Wait for an alerts to go. Wait for a couple of alerts to trigger and then make some easy gains. So take it easy. I'll see you tomorrow or Tuesday to continue on down the alphabet and roll on. Get some fucking easy money made.